Fill up your apartment units in 3 months, not years. Paano ginagawa ng ibang developers na mabilis mapuno ang apartments nila? First, compact but flexible units. Usually around 22 to 41 square meters lang ang size. Pero dahil sa open layout, mezzanine beds at hidden storage, hindi masikip ang pakiramdam. Second, efficient building layouts. Mga design like triplex or fourplex apartments na mas mabilis i-construct at mas efficient sa building cost. Mas mabilis matapos, mas mabilis din ma-rent. Third, modern aesthetics. Clean lines, laking windows, natural light, and open-plan living spaces. Kapag visually appealing ang unit, mas madaling ma-market sa renters. And fourth, market-fit unit planning. Halimbawa, Central Luzon, maraming renters ang naghahanap ng 2-bedroom units around 40 square meter with dirty kitchen para sa small families. So remember this, ang apartment na mabilis mapuno, hindi lang basta pinatayo. Pinlano talaga siya para sa renters. For more smart property design, follow Architect Brendan and Rufa.